Welcome friends to my channel Trading Sensation. I hope your trading journey is going good. So friends, before starting I would like to request you that if you have not yet joined my Telegram channel, please do join it. I have provided the link in the description box. You just need to click it. It will directly take you to my channel where I go on providing various informations, news and views on different stocks, indices, etc. It will really help you a lot. So let's proceed in today's session. Friends, in my last video, I had mentioned about precious metals, that is gold and silver. So in that video, I told that the candle gave a close around the second last candle. In the present chart, you can see the close was around 1763. I gave a target of 1670 below 1750. So I told that gold is looking very bearish to me. It will definitely come down and I'm going to short below 1750 for a target of 1670. Now let's have a look at today's low. Let us just zoom in a bit and just have a look. So this is the last live candle you can see. So the low, you can see the OHLC from the top left. The low is 1677.9 and my target was 1670. So just 7.9 points higher from my target. So you can see that within one trading session, I have fulfilled or I have just touched my target. Now let's have a look at silver. So friends, in silver also I told that the second last candle gave a close around this 24.325, which was below one of my range, or you can say the pivotal level that I maintain based on different proprietary formulas. So it was 24.715. So it gave a close below that. So I was really expecting silver also to come down. You can go and watch that video for better clarity. And you can see the low today is 22.295 within one trading session. Now let's have a look at Nifty, how Nifty has performed today. So let us delve deeper into hourly chart. So in the last video, I mentioned about few levels. I'm not going to those levels again, but I would like to put my focus on the main significant level that has played a major role, at least for today's trading session. That is 16,223 and 16,176. So I told you that 16,176 is going to play a very important, crucial role in today's trading session or going forward. So you can see that today the low of this particular candle is exactly to my level, that is it's 16,179.05 and my level is 16,176. So friends, from here on the range becomes 16,350 on the higher side and 16,176 on the lower side. So if 16,176 gets breached, then 16,146 should be the immediate support. So until and unless this 16,146 on the downside and 16,350 gets breached, expect Nifty to hover inside this range and consolidate. So once these levels get breached on either side, momentum will get initiated after that. Clear? So let's move on to Nifty Bank. So in Bank Nifty, I had mentioned about the secular trend line, which is more than a decade old trend line, correct? This blue dotted line. So today in the first hour itself, you can see this big green candle with a high low of highs 36,160 and low is 35,612.3. So today it has breached this level and again retested again this particular zone. Now it has formed, or you can say it is on the way of forming a very small pennant, you can say. Now this level becomes very important from here on, because 36,000 or below that, you can say 35 740 or 35,700. This 35,700 on the downside and on the higher side 36,150. This is the range for Bank Nifty that you should remember, and I have already mentioned the levels on both the sides, so you can directly watch that video for those levels for better clarity. Now let us focus on few stocks that I would like to share. Let's start with Ipca Lab. I would like to go to weekly chart for Ipca Lab. So you can see this chart has given a breakout in the present week. So in the present week, you can see the candle has given a breakout of this particular trend line which started from October 20. Now from here on, I am expecting Ipca Lab to surge higher for a target of 2460 followed by 2530. So once it gets towards those particular levels, I'll again revisit. Now let's have a look for Shalby. Now in Shalby, I would like to go to daily chart. Again, this is also looking quite good to me. You can see that it has just breached this trend line, or you can say the resistance zone in the present candle. So from here on, I am expecting Shalby to go towards this 230-250 zone. Clear? Now let's have a look at Tata Chemical. Now Tata Chemical has formed a very interesting pattern over here. In the last two trading sessions, considering today's candle, you can see that it has given a breakout from this all-time high zone of this 833.95. Clear? So this zone means not only this 834 level is important, but you should also remember this gap up zone. So the low of this second last candle, that is 802.7, should also provide a lot of support for Tata Chemical. So until and unless this 802.7 gets breached, I am expecting Tata Chemical to surge higher from here for a target of 935. Clear? So that's all for today's session. I hope you have liked it. Please do comment in the comment section below and share it with your near and dear ones. Have a great trading session tomorrow. Goodbye.